Oo, pasok. So, the score is 53-51. Grabe talaga yung laro nito. Ano lang talaga, palitan. Foul. Naruela foul. Grabe bantay talaga kay ano, kay Justin Brownlee. Sinasaktan talaga nila si Justin Brownlee. Grabe, grabe, grabe. (51-53). Oh, there was a foul. Ogoy. So, free throw ni ano, no, Justin Brownlee. Kainin nyo na sa free throw yan, mga kaibigan. Uy, hindi pumasok. Sayang. Pumutok yung bola. Uy, wala na naman. Sayang yan, Justin. So, 51-54. Yun, Ronde! RJ Barrientos pala. 3 points. Paul Stephen Holt. Sayang naman yun. Yung hustle na yun, grabe. Sayang yung tapik ng bola na yun. Nothing. Okay guys, yan si JB nagdi-dribble ng bola, ano? One on one. Elwin, ay, naagawan. There was a foul. I thought walang foul. It's a challenge to what's choke. Time out, time out. Okay guys, time out guys. Thank you so much guys. So 54-55 lamang po ang TNT. Lamang po TNT, lamang. 1 point, 1 point. Sabi pa ng iba, 1 points. Oh, just joke lang po. It's 1 point. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So, live reaction lang po ito mga kaibigan.